Oh, hello there. Hi, I'm Dicel. This is Dicel's Garage. You know, there's a lot of words that start with the word hell or have the word hell in it, like shell, hello, hallelujah, Hellcat. Guess where I'm going? I'm on the way to pick up a check for my new to me Dodge Hellcat. It's a 2016 black on black, brass monkey wheels. It's beautiful and it's stupid to drive. So I'm taking one last trip in my my Scat Pack, lovely car, trading it in, and we're gonna go buy us a Hellcat. All right, it's official. I got the check. Just left the bank. So I cannot, unfortunately, go pick up the car right now because there was a scratch on the front splitter on the car. So I wanted to get that fixed. So Jamie, the guy that got the car for me, actually agreed to fix that for me. So he's putting it in his body shop, and they're going to, I'm assuming, paint the whole splitter. And there's a few things I'm going to take out and off this car. They're actually going to replace the marker lights with the, the ugly red and yellow ones with orange with the black ones that I purchased and installed. It's on another video for this car. And mats, and then I got to get all my my work stuff out of this car. So unfortunately we won't be able to take the Hellcat to the car show this weekend, but that's okay. We'll take the Shelby. Terry, my buddy Terry, is going to be taking his Firebird, which is a Camaro SS swap, 6-speed, awesome car. So we'll get some footage on that tomorrow. Anyway, I'm excited. I'm all legal, 100%, got the money, ready to go. Next step is really to go to the dealership and get our Hellcat. So we'll see you guys there. So what's next for the Hellcat? What are we going to do first? Well, one of the first things we're going to do is we're going to put an oil separator on this engine. I'm going to add one of those. I've already ordered it. I think it's in the bronze color. I went ahead and paid extra for the extra fittings and hoses, so it should look pretty cool. Some of the other things we're going to do is we're going to replace the tips on the exhaust. I think they come with like 3.5 or 4-inch tips. We're going to go for the 5-inch tips. Haven't decided which brand I'm going to do yet, but we're going to do that. And then the last thing I think I want to tackle is the wheels in the rear. So they have 275s by default. And I think what I want to do is go with a 305, because I was told a 305 can actually fit on here without any modifications at all. But as you can see, the wheel is still in the wheel well. It's not sticking out like it should. Again, these are 275s. These are stock. They look really good, but we're just going to do something a little bit different. Also, if you guys can hear me over the awesome exhaust, but we're going to do the exhaust tips, because you can see that there's a little area between the tip and the bezel. So I think we're going to change that out. And again, here's another shot of the rear tire. Also, I think we're going to debadge this thing and we're going to rebadge it. So these have stock Hellcat decals from the manufacturer. We're going to do something a little bit different. I'm trying to figure out what color to go with. Some people are saying yellow, like a yellow or a crazy color like that, or some people say red. But I'm definitely going to debadge that. And I'm also going to upgrade the front badge. I'm going to go with the one that's on the 2018 and newer, which actually has the Hellcat on the front of it. Oh, and the big thing that I already have is I'm going to do a cold air kit. I'm about to do a video on that. I just wanted to show you guys the car. Thank you guys so much for watching another video. Please remember to subscribe and hit that like button so you'll know when I have my newest videos come out. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you guys on the next one.